Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I am going to guide you on how to find Tonkeeper wallet address. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. You will be now lead to this home page, and at the top you can see the option wallet. If you have your other Tonkeeper wallet, then you can tap on that option and see if you have other existing wallets. For now, we don't have any, but in case if you want to add another, then you can tap on add wallet option. Now, after tapping on the wallet account that you want to open at the home page, you can see the option receive. Now here you can see this QR, and just below the QR you can see your address. Now if you want to share your address, you can simply tap on copy option and your address will be copied. You can also share your Tonkeeper wallet address by tapping on the share icon. Now you can share your Tonkeeper wallet address via this applications. But in case if you want to see your wallet address in EQ and UQ format, then you can go back to your home page. At the top right, you can see the option settings. All you have to do is tap over there. Here you can find several options. At the bottom, you can see the option address update. All you have to do is tap over there. Here you can find your EQ and your UQ address. EQ format is best for smart contracts that process incoming funds, and UQ format is best for wallets. Coin never bounce because wallets are designed to simply store funds. And this is how easily you can find your Tonkeeper wallet address. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.